Good morning, family, friends of the internet. It is Saturday the 6th of September. Stayed at this little guest house here last night, had a meal, a couple of beers, lovely. Poured down last night, a couple of hours later, so glad we got here in time. So I'm heading off to Austria today. I'm going to stay at Zell it's by the lake, and I learned to ski there many years ago, but I'm going to take a few days off there. One, just to rest, and two, the Birch Garden, the Eagle's Nest I want to go and see, and that's not too far away to ride to, so that is where we're off to today. So I think it's 4.5 hours, 200 something odd kilometres. So I'll talk to you a bit more in a bit. What we need to do is get a bit of fuel as well when we see it, because we don't want to be caught out again since we're riding through the mountains. We've got a concentration camp concentration camp memorial place to stop off on the way through. Yeah, 285 kilometres, 4 hours. Yeah, should be easy day. Should it, Bet? Lovely little stay there. The food was lovely. Local draft beer was very, very nice. Yeah, a bit overcast today. Should brighten up this afternoon. Forecast is alright. Chilly 16 at the moment. So range on the fuel 226. So yeah, not enough. Crazy drivers. See, oh gosh, what's that in the road? Yeah, this is the problem when you put it on motorcycle routes. Simon says, I'm going to take you through all these very narrow and twisty bits. Now for me, as scenic as it is, it's not that pleasurable, because I'm always worried there'd be some daft idiot flying down here, some local. Look, there's not a lot of room. Stop moaning though, Eve. Stop moaning. Feel a bit better today. I felt a bit rough last night. I think I might have picked up a bug or something. But yeah, not... Oh, Christ. God. Yeah, I felt a bit rough. I think I sort of sweated it out a little bit yesterday. So yeah, I'm feeling a bit better. Oh God, that's not what I need first thing. Ropey roads. We don't need this, Betsy, do we? Half hour to the concentration camp memorial. Hello, cows. Goats as well. Goats. I can hear Kim now moaning and dripping about this road. I can't do it. Is there another way? There must be another way. Well, there is, Kim. But it involves motorways and stuff like that, which we don't really want to do. There's a view. Pretty. Nope. Wrong way. Don't like turn around on bends. And then I'm going to stop here. Never thank you for stopping. Oh, stewards. Oh. Oh. No. What a view. What a view. So let's talk about, I've changed my plans again. So I wanted to go to Italy. I think we're going to save that. I keep saying this now. Save that to do that with Kim. So I'm not going to Italy. Well, I will go through Italy. I want to go up to, I want to do the Stelvio Pass and all that. The Glockens, oh, I can't remember. There's two passes I want to do. I want to go up by Lake Como. That's not Homo, that's Como. And ride around there and then head towards France. There's a couple of nice routes through France at the bottom end. Depending on time, because I probably won't get time to go into Corsica and Sardinia at the moment. Because I don't leave Zell Sea until the 9th. I said I'd be home for the 21st-ish. So it leaves me 10 days to do what I want to do from Zell. So, yeah. Yeah, I've changed my plans. I am tired though. And that's why I'm doing 3 days in a lovely little hotel I've been to before. Zell, I learnt to ski there many, many years ago. Been skiing with Kim there. It's a lovely resort. And a lovely town. Apparently, in the old days when the lake used to freeze, and it has frozen now, I've walked on it, they used to race Porsches on there. Not something I would want to do. But yeah, I'm really looking for Zell. Tomorrow is Sunday, so I've got my tickets booked for the Eagle's Nest. Because you park up and get the bus up and the bus back, and you pick a time to go up and you pick a time to come down. And then Sunday, I'm just gonna, the Monday, I'm just gonna do not. I might try to get up in the cable cars if they're running, which they should be. Try to get up to Mautstation and further on, and then get some lunch up there, just to soak the views in, because it is fantastic, especially at the top where the church is. If anyone knows where Zell Sea is, or Google it. Google it and have a look at the top. There's a little church people get married in when they're skiing. But the views across the valleys are amazing. A bit like this, really. Anyway, enough chit chat. Concentrate, crack on, Eve. Nice bit of wood there. Oh, Kim would love this. Should be out there with her little pikey hands getting the wood. Just joking, Kim, just joking. What are you doing, mate? I'm not even trying to pronounce that name. Alright, so this was concentration camp, was built to build a strategic road and a tunnel. External camp of the Mauthausen concentration camp. It's hard to think this is a concentration camp to build a tunnel and roads. It's such a scenic setting. It defies, I don't know, I just don't understand it. Again, apart from the road noise, really quiet here. It's not a big site. Not as chilling as Auschwitz. Yeah, this is the tunnel that the concentration camps inmates built, I believe. It's 1.5 kilometers long. Alright, so yeah, stopped and checked the passport. Well, Slovenian, so I did. So we should be in Austria. Country number 1213 now. Just following these Slovenians. We can't go around because it's so long and low. Not sure if there's another border check. Austrian side. So I don't know if it's because the Slovenian border's there. I don't know. See, bike after bike. Anyway, we've got 2 hours 10 left. It's only 11 o'clock. So yeah, what are we going to do, Eve? Because I didn't really plan anything else. Need to decide what we're going to do, Ify. So I took my bloody pack off and I'm feeling a bit cold again now. Anyway, put some music on for you. Watch some of the scenery. Now 1:15, 106 kilometers left, hour and 3/4. Still early, arrive at 2 o'clock now. That's good. So I might squeeze something else in, another coffee stop or drink stop. We go to the supermarket, get some milk from a tea. We got some washing to do. So yeah, gotta do that when I'm in the hotel. It'd be nice if I had a balcony, because when I've stayed in this hotel in the past, we've had a little balcony. All depends how busy they are. Anyway, you don't want to see me driving through town, do you? Talk to you in a bit. Me to turn around now? Why do you want me to go up that way now? See, this bloody SatNav just want to go right. Yeah, I just chuck a curveball in there for you, Aoife. Where am I supposed to be going, SatNav? I want to get over there, it says. That's not going to work, is it? Stupid thing. Stupid thing. Right folks, I'm lost. Simon can't give me what he wants. And that says an hour and a half. Fucking hell, where have I gone wrong here? Okay. I don't know what's going on with Simon. He was trying to take me on a train track, or get the train, which I didn't want to do. So now he says 3 hours. Google Maps says just under 2. So I don't know what's going on with Simon. Idiot. So I'm trusting Google Maps at the moment, which is wrong. Mind you, this is going to be a motorcycle mode in it. If I do car, that will potentially put it right to Google. Tolls, yeah, we paid our tolls. What are you doing now? 2 hours, 134 kilometers. That's the only problem when you're running through these valleys. There's only one way to go. If you're going wrong, you've got to come all the way back, pick up the next valley. Anyway, let's crack on, Eve.
Alright. Come on. Yeah. Here we go. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. Let's go.
Ooh, card. Okay. Right, big long tunnel by the looks of it. I think that's just cost me either €6.50 or €13 to come through here. Wow. It's a long tunnel. Got cold in there. Ah, look at these views. Look at these roads. Oh, just parking there. Check in, folks. What have we done today? We're 30 kilometers. It is 3:30, 20 degrees. This is a hotel I stayed at many years ago when I learned to ski. Right, let's go and check in. So I've just noticed the microphone was dead, so I don't know how much talking you've missed now. We'll see, might have to do a voiceover, but I am in my hotel in Zell, St. George. This is my room. Pretty nice. Balcony. Perfect. Fridge. Bathroom. And a bath. Might even have a bath while I'm here. And to top it all off, you get a free like tourist card to do the cable lifts, visit the museum, all sorts of stuff in Salzburg. So brilliant. Right, it's not been a bad day. Bloody Simon and SatNav take me weird and wonderful ways, but okay. So like it, dislike it, whatever you do, hit that thumb button. And if you're not a subscriber, subscribe. And try not to sneeze. And we'll talk to you tomorrow. Adios, my friends.